All right, I think I'll interrupt the flow through the mini course with an announcement. We are going to continue the course, so keep adding videos, but we're going to branch off at this point to form another playlist. And this playlist is going to focus on putting several LuckFoxes together and forming a network. And the type of stuff we're going to do there is going to focus on things where the synergy of the network comes to bear on the application. So we'll be attacking problems where we're looking at things across the network. We just have a video now in the first video of this, which is showing the setup and the building of the network. And then we'll go on to talk about some other things such as MQTT, which we're going to use to one way of communication across the LuckFox. Other ideas of distribution, so sharing a drive, for example. We learned in this series how to mount a USB drive, and so we're going to see if we can get the network to access the drive, and maybe a camera, whatever, lots of things that we've done here. We're going to try to put it in a setting where the network matters. We're going to continue to focus on laboratory applications and just the application of a single LuckFox, and so there's a lot left to do there, and so we'll keep adding to this main mini course. But I just wanted to alert you to this other playlist. So we will not be talking about network-based things as much in this mini course. For that, we'll be over in this one. All right, so let's take a quick look at what I'm talking about here so you get a little sense, and that'll kind of conclude it for this video. If you are interested in this, then you can hop over to this new playlist on the GNL project website. Okay, so let's just take a quick look. What you're going to look at here, I've got two cameras set up here. I have the dock cam coming down on the top, and then I have another webcam over here coming in from the side. And so we can see this rack distribution. I'll kind of turn it this way so we can see everything here. It's being powered by a single power supply, and each one of the LuckFoxes are connected to the network. I'm going to just turn it on its side a little bit so you can see on the dock cam here. And this is just using a Raspberry Pi Pico breakout board. As we know, the LuckFox is got the same footprint or pin arrangement as the Raspberry Pi Pico, so it pops right in there. And this is a nice breadboard. It has both header pins, let's see if we can see. So hard to see here, but there's some header pins right here. And then there's some, the screw down headers along the side here. And so you'll be able to access all the pins as well. So this is the build. If you want to see how this was built, check out the video in that website, and then stay tuned over there if you're interested in further network applications.